Following on from our last training video, we will be looking at Edit Mode. From the Live View window, please select the drop-down menu View Data. From this drop-down, select Edit Mode. Edit Mode allows you to add sensors, delete sensors, change sensor descriptions and alarm parameters. Here you can see the list of sensors we currently have attached to the system. You can see the sensor name, serial number, type, and the option to delete the sensor. Each sensor will have a unique serial number printed on the back of the sensor. This is used to add them to the system. If you click on the sensor name of one of the currently attached sensors, this will open up another window where you can change the description and serial number. This is useful for example swapping a sensors or changing its location or application. You can also put a sensor out of service here, meaning it will still show on the system, but not be used for alarms. Once you have made the necessary changes, you can click Save or continue to the drop-down below, called Alarms. Once expanded, this is where the alarm parameters are configured for each sensor. You can put the channel out of service, meaning if you have dual-channel sensor, you can enable or disable just one channel. You can enable or disable the alarm, set the high and low alarm parameters. The high and low are a second stage alarm, meaning if the sensor breaches high alarm, it will alarm again at high. The alarm delay is the amount of time a sensor will be an alarm before triggering on the system. This is useful for taking into consideration door opening events and defrost cycles. Rate of change alarms can also be configured, for example if the sensor changed by 5 degrees in 30 minutes, then trigger an alarm. Below you can set the days in which the alarm is active. By default alarms are set to be active 24/7. On the next tab called Advanced Alarm Settings, you can set the elapsed time warning. This is the amount of time a sensor has lost signal before you get a warning alarm. Alarm reactivation time is how long the system will wait once a sensor has gone back within its parameters before cancelling the alarm, and is dependent on auto reset being selected. Auto reset resets the alarm back to non-alarm state once the sensor is within its set alarm parameters. Once finished editing, please click on Save. Now we will add a new sensor to the system. Click on Add Sensor. Here you can add a new sensor to the system. You will need to know its description and serial number, along with what type of sensor you have. The EMS system has a large range of sensors that you can add from temperature, humidity, door opening event, CO2, and many more. Please continue to the next training video.